VanEck unveils Avalanche-Focused digital asset fund backing real-world apps. Avalanche, AVAX, blockchain, VanEck. John Nahas, Chief Business Officer at Ava Labs, described VanEck's launch of Purposebuilt as a pivotal moment for the Avalanche ecosystem, reinforcing this chain as the home for serious founders who are scaling real businesses and driving meaningful on-chain adoption. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 54 minutes ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Major asset manager VanEck has revealed a new private digital assets fund specifically for Avalanche-based businesses. The VanEck Purpose-Built Fund will launch on June 10th. According to the press release, the fund will utilize Avalanche-native real-world asset, RWA, products, including tokenized money market funds, to deploy the capital. The novel fund will provide the capital and support for liquid tokens, venture-backed projects, and scalable businesses that are building on the world's 18th largest chain and launching tokens with long-term utility and value in mind. The projects will hail from across industries, including finance, payments, gaming, and AI. They'll receive the investment either close to or after a token generation event. Therefore, the company says that the Purpose-Built Fund reflects VanEck's conviction in the GDP on-chain thesis. This means that blockchain will eventually be core to global economic and financial systems, and that the projects that align with this vision will be the most durable. Additionally, Pranav Kannade, portfolio manager of VanEck Digital Asset Alpha Fund, DAAF, argues that real businesses, not additional infrastructure, will bring about the next wave of value for the crypto sector. Moreover, VanEck has noted a growing concentration of serious builders, using the Avalanche network for real-world applications, generating economic activity on-chain. These teams build in payments, fintech, DeFi, RWAs, AI, and gaming. They're also providing enterprise-grade products already adopted by Web2 platforms and traditional institutions. Meanwhile, the VanEck Purpose-Built Fund seeks capital appreciation through investments in digital assets with market capitalizations above $100 million. It may invest in RWAs, digital asset projects, and Avalanche ecosystem-related companies. It may also employ staking, yield farming, and investments across centralized and decentralized platforms. The announcement says. You may also like. Fund manager VanEck moves to launch first US-based BNB ETF. Investment giant VanEck has officially filed for a spot Binance Coin, BNB, exchange-traded fund, ETF, in Delaware on March 31st, marking the first attempt of its kind in the US. VanEck prepares BNB ETF SEC application as next step. According to official public records from the state of Delaware, VanEck filed for a BNB ETF on March 31st, initiating the process to establish a trust entity for Binance Coin, BNB. This registration, listed under number 10148820, serves as a preparatory. VanEck sees shift from speculative hype to real utility. The team behind the DAF will also manage the new VanEck Purpose-Built Fund. The team says that DAF is one of the strongest performing directional liquid token funds in the market. It has over $100 million in assets under management. The team argues that one of the issues the crypto market faces is the difficulty for legitimate blockchain-powered businesses to stand out in an environment dominated by short-term speculation. This distorts incentives, undermines token credibility, and slows real adoption. The new fund aims to solve this, VanEck claims. Furthermore, John Nahas, Chief Business Officer at Ava Labs, described Purpose-Built as a pivotal moment for the ecosystem. It reinforces Avalanche as the home for serious founders who are scaling real businesses and driving meaningful on-chain adoption. Per Nahas, there is a shift away from speculative hype toward real utility and sustainable token economies. Therefore, Purposebuilt's goal is to bring the kind of long-term capital and strategic conviction that builders need to lead that shift. At the time of writing, AVAX trades at $22.65. It is up 2.8% in a day and 10% in a month. The price has decreased by 12% in a week and 44% in a year. The coin hit its all-time high of $144.96 in November 2021, falling 84% since. Meanwhile, the company notes that the VanEck Purposebuilt Fund and the VanEck Digital Assets Alpha Fund are not registered investment companies under the Investment Company Act of 1940 and not subject to the same regulatory requirements as mutual funds or ETFs. The announcement states that, as of April 30, 2025, VanEck managed $116.6 billion in assets, including mutual funds, ETFs, and institutional accounts. In March and April this year, it filed for Avalanche and BNB ETFs, respectively. In May, VanEck joined hands with Securitize, a company specializing in real-world asset, RWA tokenization, to launch a U.S. Treasuries-backed tokenized fund on Avalanche, Ethereum, and Solana. You may also like VanEck files for Avalanche ETF in U.S. Despite crypto market downturn, VanEck, a prominent asset management firm, filed to launch an Avalanche ETF, AVAX, in Delaware on March 10, 2025, despite the recent downturn in crypto markets, aiming to attract institutional investors. This move, confirmed through official records, highlights the company's strong interest in bringing institutional investment to Avalanche, AVAX. The Avalanche ETF filing follows VanEck's previous registrations for Bitcoin, Ether, and Solana ETFs. The registration, filed under Follow Us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. XRP price prediction. South Korean investors bet big on Ripple. Can XRP reach $5 in May? XRP price prediction. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ripple surges 8% this week. Can momentum push XRP past $2.50 resistance? Altcoin news. Ripple whale moves $782 million in XRP. How could XRP price react? May 13, 2025, by Amin Ayan. Altcoin news. Coinbase revenue from XRP tops ETH. SOL as holdings soar 458%. Is XRP price ready for breakout? May 10, 2025, by Amin Ayan. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? May 15, 2025. 5 days ago, by Fadilpašić. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025, by Purposebuilt. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025, by Elijah Rankovic. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024, by Elijah Rankovic. Bitcoin, BTC, Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, Price Prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024, by Ben Beto.